For the removal of the cover of the front seat backrest in the C-Class, start with the removal of the headrest. If the headrest has an electric adjustment, it must, unlike here, be removed from the motor. Then unclip the connector strip at the bottom, and if installed in the vehicle, unplug the electrical connector of the backrest heating. Also unclip the straps of the cover. This goes easier when you press in the side bolster of the seat. To take off the connector strips on the backrest and the sides, you need a special tool. Removing the headrest guides is slightly more complicated, as you need to undo the catches under the seat cover and then push the headrest guides upwards. So you can see better, we show you the process on the removed part. When you've removed the headrest guides, you can remove the upholstery together with the cover. Pull the cover over the cushion. When loosening the cover attachments, work from the outside in. Remove the wire rings between the cover and the foam cushion with a side cutter. Important: avoid pulling the wire in the foam cushion and be sure to remove the debris of the wire rings carefully and completely. Then unclip the stitching wire of the cushion. Here too a special tool is used. Once you've unclipped everything, remove the cover from the cushion and pull out the stitching wire. Continue with the covering of the backrest. Pull over the new cover and insert 3 stitching wires. Make sure that the eyelets don't get caught in the tubing. This way the cover won't crease later. If it's a leather cover, you should also smooth out the tubing and seam. This also prevents wrinkling. Then set the cover in the middle and clip the 2 cover attachments on the top of the backrest. Check that the cover is actually in the center by aligning the notch on the cover with the mark on the upper backrest. Once you've done that, you may not move the cover. Clip in the other cover attachments. Important here, work from the inside out. and repeatedly check the position of the cover. Correct if necessary. Before you insert the lateral stitching wire with wire rings, smooth out the tubing and stitching. When attaching the wire rings, make sure that the cover is free of tension. Then pull the cover over the foam cushion. The headrest holes must continue to be centered. Always keep the seam to the contour of the foam. The cover must be wrinkle-free, especially with leather. Align the cushion on the seatback frame. The foam may not be compressed and must lie on the backrest support. Once done, fix the cover at the bottom of the backrest frame. This way the cushion is stabilized. Using the removal tool, press the cover profile in at the sides and on the upper backrest. It must really click into position. Clip the upper retainers again. And bring the headrest guides on. Plug in the connector of the backrest heating. Now clip the lower retainers again. Finally, mount the headrest.